Thus delayed to all today March 11, 2022 Friday. We are at Bujisori, Kathmandu, Nepal. The person who donated and through was Gesitashi Foundation, Nepal, to distribute food for 250 needed people in Nepal. The foundation held 56,000 rupees for needed people in Nepal, which we expenses in food for 50,000 for 250 people and water for 4,000 and 2,000 for taxi. Thank you.
Dia buat di tar pakai